cat kid from the new... Oh, okay. Can't say much about the series, apparently. Let's get these gloves off because I see there's Infinity Gauntlets looking really good. What is going on here? Oh my god. That is an Infinity Gauntlet. Instructions. Now to put it on. Dun dun. This bomb I did. So it's like. I like it a lot. Pretend I snap. Forget this hand. Okay, so let's go. I snapped. What are you doing? What are you still doing here? You're not supposed to be here, bro. Come here. But seriously, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.